Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about multiplication of fractions and division of fractions. So let's start from multiplication of fractions. First we'll discuss how to multiply a fraction with a whole number. If we have to multiply the proper or improper fraction with the whole number, then simply multiply the numerator with the whole number and the denominator remain same. So while we are multiplying a fraction with a whole number, just we have to multiply the numerator and whole number, keeping the denominator as there. Okay. So here is an example. Here we have to multiply the 2, that is the whole number, with the fraction 3/4. Okay. So in that case, what to do? Just we have to multiply the whole number with numerator. So 2 3 becomes 6, keeping the denominator as there. So the new fraction become 6/4. The product is 6/4. Come to second case. If we have to multiply the mixed fraction with the whole number, then first convert it into the form of improper fraction, then multiply as fraction with whole number. Okay. So while we are multiplying the mixed fraction with the whole number, then what to do? We have to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. After that, we have to multiply them as fraction with whole number. Clear? So here is an example. First case, we have to convert the mixed fraction. Here the mixed fraction is 2 pull 3/5. So it become 5 2s are 10 plus 3 is 13/5. If we convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, it become 13/5, in which you have to multiply 2. So here I have multiplied 2. Now we get the fraction with product of fraction with whole number. So in that case, what to do? We have to multiply the numerator and whole number. So 13 2 it is 26, keeping the denominator same. So it is 5. So the product become 26 divided by 5. Now come to how to multiply a fraction with another fraction. If we have to multiply the proper or improper fraction with another fraction, then simply multiply numerator of both fractions and the denominator of both the fractions separately. Okay, and write them as new fraction. Clear? So while we are multiplying two fractions, in that case we have to multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So in this way, while multiplying fraction with fraction, then we have to multiply product of numerators divided by product of denominators. So okay, suppose there are two fractions, that is a by b multiplied by c by d, then we have to multiply the numerator. Here the numerator are a and c, so it becomes a multiplied by c, and the denominator are b and d, so it becomes b multiplied by d. Okay, so in this way you have to multiply two fraction. Come to an example. So here we have to multiply 2/5 and 3/4. Okay, these are the two fractions. So what to do? We have to multiply the numerators. So 2 3 it is 6, and we have to multiply the denominators also. So 5 4 it is 20. Clear? Come to one more example. Here of, okay, 1/2 of 9/4. This of means multiplication. While you have written of in the middle of two fraction, that means it is multiplication. So in that place you have to put into sign. Now we get product of two fraction, then what to do? Multiply the numerator. So it is 1 9s are 9, 2 4s it is 8. Clear? Just you have to multiply the numerator, that divided by product of denominators. Next one is reciprocal of a fraction. If we have two non-zero numbers whose product is 1, then this number must be the reciprocal of each other. Okay, so here's the example, that is 3/4 is the fraction, and we have to find the reciprocal of that one. So what to do? We have to just change the numerator and denominator. In place of numerator, here it is 3 in the numerator, that you have to write in the place of denominator. Okay, and another one, that is the denominator, become the numerator of another fraction. So you can say that the reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3. Okay, to find the reciprocal of any fraction, we need to flip the numerator with denominator. Flip means change. Okay, the flip means change. So just we have to change the numerator with denominator and denominator with numerator. Clear? So to get the reciprocal of that fraction. Okay. So now come to division of fractions. First we will discuss how to divide a whole number by a fraction. If we have to divide the whole number with the proper or improper fraction, then we will multiply that whole number with the reciprocal of the given fraction. Okay. So we have to convert this division into multiplication by converting second fraction. Okay, by finding the reciprocal. So here is an example. So here we have to divide the whole number by a fraction. Okay, so the whole number is 2, that divided by 9 by 5. So what to do? First write the here whole number or fraction. First you have to write that number and just change this into sign to division sign to multiplication sign. Okay, in place of division sign you have to write multiplication sign. After that you have to write the reciprocal of fraction. Here the fraction is 9 by 5, so you have to change that to reciprocal of that one, so it becomes 5 by 9. Just you have to change the numerator and denominator. Okay, after that here you got the multiplication of whole number with the fraction, so multiply the whole number and numerator. So 2 5 it is 10, that divided by same denominator, that is 9. Clear on? So the procedure is just you have to convert this division sign to multiplication sign and just do the reciprocal of that fraction. Okay, reciprocal of second fraction. Okay, no need to change the first one. Come to second case. If you have to divide the whole number with the mixed fraction, then just you have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, then multiply it with the reciprocal of whole number. Here is an example. Suppose here the 2 is the whole number and 1 full 4 by 5 is the mixed fraction. So first we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it becomes 5 1s are 5 plus 4, it is 9 by 5. Next step is we have to convert this division sign into multiplication sign, and we have to write the reciprocal of the fraction. So it becomes 2 multiplied by 5 by 9. Next step is you have to multiply the numerator and whole number. So 2 5 are 10, that divided by same 9. Okay. Now come to how to divide a fraction with a whole number, just opposite of that one. To divide a fraction with a whole number, we have to take the reciprocal of whole number and then divide it with the whole number as usual. Okay. Come to an example. So here the fraction is 3 by 10, in which you have to divide the whole number 2. Clear? So we can write this 2 as the whole number in the form of fraction, as we can represent any whole number in the fraction as that divided by 1. So 3 by 10 as usual, that divided by 2, we can write this one as 2 by 1. Okay, as I have already told in the previous example that no need to change the first fraction. So you have to write the first fraction as there. So it is 3 by 10 and change the division sign to multiplication sign. Clear? So in place of division sign you have to write into. Clear? Next step is we have to write the reciprocal of second fraction. Reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. Now we can multiply them as fraction with fraction. So product of numerators, so it is 3 1s are 3, 10 2s that is 20. Okay. Next one is how to divide a fraction with another fraction. To divide a fraction with another fraction, we have to multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of second fraction. Okay. Look at here. Here if you have given any fraction in this form, that is a by b, that divided by c by d. In that case what to do? Keep the first fraction as there. Okay, no need to change the first fraction. So it is a by b, same as that one. In place of division sign you have to put multiplication sign. So here I have multiplied, okay, with the reciprocal of second fraction. Reciprocal of c by d is, it is d by c. Okay, next step here we got multiplication of two fractions. Now we have to multiply them as same as multiplication of numerator divided by multiplication of denominators. So here is an example. Here the example is 4 by 5, okay, divided by 2 by 3. So first what to do? Invert the fraction, okay, that you are dividing by, okay. So keep the first fraction as there. So 4 by 5 remains same, and change the division sign to multiplication sign and find the reciprocal of second fraction. 2 by 3 become 3 by 2. Next step, we have to multiply the numerator and multiply the denominators. So we have to multiply the numerators. 3 4 ja 12, 5 2 it is 10. Okay, next step, we have to write them as mixed fraction if it is necessary. Okay, so 12 by 10 can be converted into, if we divide 12 by 10, then we got 10 ones are 10, so we are getting 2 as a reminder, so we can write this one as, okay, so it is 2 1 full 2 by 10, or we can write this one as 2 by 10 cancel to 1 by 5. Okay, so it become 1 full 1 by 5. That's all. Thank you.